Gettysburg in July. It holds a special power. This is the month when history happened here. The air is warm, just as it was then. The fields are green and full. Sunlight catches the flags on the monuments. It is a time of deep connection to the past. Visiting now allows you to feel the landscape in a profound way. The long days give you ample time to explore. This guide will offer a simple plan for your day. We will move at a steady pace. We will see the most important places. This plan is designed to help you avoid the biggest crowds. It will also help you stay comfortable in the summer heat. Let us begin our journey together through this important American place. My name is Roger, and I will be your guide. My voice is calm and steady. I want you to feel prepared and at ease. We will walk through this one-day itinerary step by step. Our plan is simple and clear. It is designed for a first-time visitor or for someone returning who wants a focused experience. We'll start early to make the most of the cool morning hours. The key to a successful July visit is an early start. Aim to arrive at the Gettysburg National Military Park by 8 in the morning. Morning light is gentler, and the crowds are smaller. That gives you a precious window of peace and quiet. Set your destination, the main Gettysburg Visitor Center. Arrive early to secure a good parking spot. Parking later in the day can be challenging. Early arrival removes that stress. Once parked, head inside the visitor center. Use the restrooms. Fill your water bottles. The information desk is staffed by park rangers and volunteers. They are friendly and eager to help. Ask them for a park map. They can point out special ranger programs for the day. Purchase tickets here for the museum, the film, and the cyclorama. Buying tickets now saves you from waiting later. Look at the large battlefield map. It helps visualize the scale of the area. With map and tickets in hand, you are prepared. Morning light will cast long shadows. You might hear the first birds of the day. The air still has a touch of coolness. This quiet moment before the park fills is special. It lets you connect with the place personally. Now, with the whole day ahead, you're ready to step back in time. Your Gettysburg walking tour begins right here. Your first historical immersion should begin inside, away from the rising sun. Head into the Gettysburg Museum of the American Civil War, located within the Visitor Center. Plan to spend about 1 to 90 minutes here. The museum is expertly designed. It tells the broader story, then focuses on the Battle of Gettysburg. The artifacts are powerful uniforms, weapons, personal letters from soldiers. These objects create a tangible link to the people who were here. It explains why the battle happened, introduces the key leaders, and details the common soldier. It transforms the historical event into a human story. From the museum, proceed to your ticketed time for the film and the cyclorama. First, watch A New Birth of Freedom, a powerful overview of the battle's flow. After the film, you will be guided upstairs to the cyclorama painting. Light and sound effects bring Pickett's charge to life. The sheer scale is astonishing, fully restored to its original glory. It is a calm, cool, powerful way to understand a key part of the battle. This indoor morning strategy beats the July heat and crowds. After your indoor orientation, it is time to step onto the battlefield. From the visitor center, it is a short, gentle walk to Seminary Ridge. This is the high ground that the Union Army defended. Your first stop should be the Gettysburg National Cemetery. This is where President Abraham Lincoln delivered the Gettysburg Address. Stand for a moment and read his words. Walk slowly along the pathways. Be respectful. This is a sacred burial ground. Continue south along Seminary Ridge, flat, paved, lined with dozens of monuments. Each memorial marks positions held in July 1863. Cannons sit as they did then. Stop at the Pennsylvania State Memorial, the battlefield's largest. Climb for a commanding view. You will feel the sun and see heat shimmer, a sensory link to the soldiers' conditions. About 1.5 miles to Little Round Top, manageable and meaningful. Access can change. Check the official park website. If open, prepare for a short, rocky climb. Once at the summit, the terrain tells the story. Valley of Death, Devil's Den, a attack fields. Monuments include the iconic Warren statue. This is one of the park's best photo spots. Find shade, enjoy the breeze, and drink water. Consider the 20th Maine and Colonel Joshua Chamberlain's desperate defense. Descend carefully. The stones can be loose. A midday reprieve, lunch and rest. Drive into town for a light, air-conditioned lunch, or picnic in designated shaded areas within the park. Hydrate, rest your feet, and review the map. This break sustains your day. With heat easing, use your car to explore the Confederate side. Stand where Pickett's men began. The ridge looks distant and formidable. Pause at the Virginia Memorial. Thousands formed here to cross open ground under fire. Drive to Seminary Ridge. Walk the quieter woods and consider the battle from both sides. Practicalities for a July day: heat, hydration, parking. Wear lightweight, light-colored, breathable fabrics. Use a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and broad-spectrum sunscreen. Reapply at midday. Bring a large, reusable bottle. Fill it at the visitor center and sip consistently. Avoid sugary drinks. A few salty snacks help retain water. Arrive early for the main lot. Use overflow or town garages and the Freedom Transit shuttle as needed. Park only in designated pull-offs and lots. Wear supportive shoes for pavement, grass, and rocky paths. Stay on marked trails and watch for ticks in tall grass. Cell service can be spotty. Carry a physical park map from the visitor center. A respectful conclusion. Sunset and final thoughts. The light is magical, bathing fields and monuments in a soft golden glow. Consider Seminary Ridge, the view back to the round tops, and the Eternal Light Peace Memorial. Sit quietly. Hear the crickets and the breeze in the trees. Watch flags ripple against the colorful sky. Think back on stories from the museum, solemn rows of graves, and the vast fields. Consider a final stop for a book or a cyclorama print, tangible reminders of a meaningful day. Please consider liking or subscribing for more historical travel itineraries. Visit the official Gettysburg National Military Park website for current hours, fees, and alerts. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May your visit be respectful, moving, and unforgettable. Travel safely.